Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial for Moon Invoice application. Today we will see how Moon Invoice is GST ready. So let's begin. First, we need to go to the company profile to add text. Now here there is a tab of taxes. Just click on it and a pop-up will be open. From here, the users can create multiple tags according to the available tax slabs of 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. Here we are going to add the GST of 5% as an inclusive. So I want to add the information that exclusive tax with this option, the tax is separately charged on the price, whereas if you want to add tax as an inclusive, which means the tax is not charged separately on the price. This we will understand with an example. So I have already added two tax. The first one is of GST1 of 5% as an exclusive and GST2 as in 5% of as inclusive tax. So let's understand this with an example. Let's go to the invoice. Here I have already added the invoice as in draft. So see, if I add invoice to this invoice and GST1 which was an exclusive tax, let's see what change occurs in this invoice. Saving this invoice with an GST1 as an exclusive tax. So here the tax which is charged on 100 US dollar, which is in total gets 105, as 5 US dollar is the tax on the amount. This is the exclusive tax. Whereas if we add tax to our invoice and as an inclusive, so that we have saved as an GST2 of same 5%. Let's see what change occurs. Saving this invoice. See, this is the change that if the tax is added as an inclusive, this means the price charged for goods includes tax in the price. That means the 4.76 tax US dollar tax is being added to the total price and it becomes 100 US dollar, which is an inclusive tax. Also, the users can add their GSTN number, HSN number, and SSC code to the notes for the reference purpose. So this way, the GST works with Moon Invoice. If there is any doubt, you can just ask in the comments. And thank you for watching this video tutorial. And thank you and enjoy invoicing. Have a great day.